Hey guys, I'm in a bit of a rush, that's why it's just going to be done kind of freehand, but got an unboxing for you today, which is a new pair of shoes. So let's go ahead and get it out. Second. Put the camera down just a second, guys. There we are. So pretty much the same as the last ones I got, just in triple black. So it's the Air Max 97s. Where's the bit? There we go. Air Max 97. It says Noir, but it's triple black online. Okay, so let's take a look. That does look nice. That does look nice. What is that? Some sort of scratch there or something? That'll come off, it's just something. Can I get it off just now? Alright, okay, it's coming off. It was weird there, but no, let's take both of them out. Got triple black. So the last ones I got of these were pretty much just the black, but with the base bit being white, and then this kind of area here was white. I've got an unboxing up for them if you want to see that, but that was the first time I'd ever purchased this line, the 97s, and I think, is it the 95s that are really similar looking to these? I tried them before and I hated them, so I'd always been kind of put off trying these because of that. But yeah, when I tried the last ones I got there, they're just so comfy, and I've wore these like non-stop for a year. They're honestly like probably my favourite line of the Air Maxes now, and I think I'm probably, until something else comes out that I really like, I'm just going to be getting new colourways of these. But I just thought like the triple black, like as you can see, like black socks, black jeans, black shirt, black jacket as well. It's like, we are, oh that's so nice. Look at the bottom there. And on my white ones, the black ones with the white base, this bit here has kind of worn away and has almost became like a hole now. It's not a hole, but it's like the bottom bit is starting to wear off. But yeah, I'm just so excited to wear these. I'm going to wear them to work today. But thanks for watching, guys. That's the Air Max 97 triple blacks.